Welcome! In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to hide notification spotlight on Google Chrome. If you're looking to declutter your browsing experience and regain control over your notifications, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on its icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once it's open, you'll see the familiar interface ready for you to navigate. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This is known as the menu icon, and it provides access to various settings and options within Chrome. After clicking the three dots, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Click on it to reveal more options related to your privacy settings. From there, find and click on Site Settings. This section allows you to manage permissions for different websites. Once in Site Settings, scroll down until you find Notifications. Click on this option to access your notification settings. Here, you will see a list of sites that are allowed or blocked from sending notifications. Finally, to disable Notifications Spotlight, toggle off the option that says Sites can ask to send notifications. By doing this, you will prevent any website from sending notifications in the future. If you want to block specific sites, you can do so by adding them under the Blocked section. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully hidden Notification Spotlight on Google Chrome. Enjoy a more focused browsing experience without those pesky interruptions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.